What is our cleaning process? Our cleaning process begins by greeting the customer. If it's a residential property, we knock on the door and talk to the customer, or send you a text letting you know that we are on your property. Or for our commercial clients, we go and greet the front desk and let them know that Sudseys is here to complete the scope of work, and we will be beginning work in about 15-20 minutes. After we let you know that we're on the property, we'll go around and take 4 pictures of all aspects of the property or anything that we see that is important and that we want to make note of or special note of. Then after we take our 4 pictures, we will go around and, depending on the solutions we're using, we'll water all the plants. And then we will just start either using our soft washing procedures or our power washing procedures to complete the scope of work. After work is over, we will then take after pictures, let the client know that we are now leaving the property, and shortly after, within 24 hours or so, you will receive an invoice from us or a paid receipt if you paid us that day.